Welcome. My name is Tiffany Murphy, and I'm a training specialist at Bright MLS. Today, I'm joined by a special guest, Megan Craig of Megan Craig Appraisals. Thanks again for joining me today. I'd love to dive into this next topic with you and know more about the things that you wish you knew when you first got started in appraising.
Thank you, Tiffany. Despite being a very flexible profession in that we can accept or deny work orders as they are requested, the expected turnaround times for the reports are very quick, only about 48 hours, and I did not know that before I got into this profession. It's well known that it's very flexible and very family friendly in that regard, but once you accept an order, you're on a very tight timetable. And for unusual properties, sometimes this timetable is somewhat unrealistic, and you have to go back to the management company and request more time, especially if there's little to no market data for that property. To keep a steady workflow, it requires that you accept assignments in advance, but the industry expectation is to start the work right away, i.e. schedule the appointment ideally for that same day or the next day. And this means a significant portion of the day requires an appraiser to stop momentum on a current project to analyze future potential assignments, many of which they don't end up accepting, which is not the best use of time. This adds to overall project completion time and puts quality at risk by nature. And it also makes it harder for appraisers to stack assignments in similar locations, which adds driving time and inefficiency.
Now, do you typically have to go back to those unusual properties in the market more than once?
It depends. Sometimes if the lender needs to see an additional comp that they want analyzed that was either provided by the homeowner or the lender just needs to see a certain line item in the grid bracketed, they will request that you go back out, or they'll request for more pictures and similar things like that.
So another question is, if a real estate agent was interested in making the jump maybe from an agent into an appraiser role, how did they do that? How did you get started?
So you would need to take some classes, and you can start with some of the class providers. One of the biggest ones is the Appraisal Institute, and they will have you take 3 beginner courses, and then you will get a trainee license. And then you would train under an established appraiser until you meet a certain work experience requirement, hours-wise and additional classes-wise. Appraisal Institute now has a neat feature where they have a network established on their website. So if you are interested in something like that, you can find the network there, and they will link you up with someone who is interested in training you.
That's really great to have an established mentoring network already built in for somebody who's interested in starting in the appraisal world.
Yes.
That's great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Remember, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it so that we can get you some more content like this. We'd also love for you to get the latest updates from our team, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you never miss a video.